That's looking particularly gorgeous. Got Emma staying with us at the moment. Here we go. Come on! Emma. Gorgeous Gussie. Rob. Actually, look at the new grass. Gordon's pool men had a lot of dirt to get rid of, so we, as you can see, we've acquired this dirt to do some levelling in our place. We ought to bring that in, see if we can see it. We'll go a bit closer. This is Rambo.
Rambo. Where's Rocky?
Well, while we're looking for Rocky, I'm going to have a quick look at the digger. There we are.
Rocky.
This is the homemade digger.
Go.
And we just bring in the manufacturer's name.
It's not me, it's Mark.
That's funny. Bucket and Follocks Engineers. Called Rocky. Show me Rocky.
Rocky.
Let's bring him in a bit. Zoom him in. Get his horrid little face. Actually, he's rather pretty. I had to say that. There's another one back there.
That's Rambo.
Yeah.
Should know the names by now.
Right. It's a pretty hot day. There are two ways of keeping cool for dogs. The Rusper on the right goes in the pond, while Carly on the left gets her friends to cover her with sand. I think I better move round and have a look at the front of her.
She's got sand all over her nose and everything.
Oh yes, isn't that lovely? I don't want to throw your stick, Rusper.
Are you filming?
Yes.
Look at leashes. La 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 la. How charmed.
Where's the bike?
Oh boy, it's
Oh, he's off for a ride.
What about this cob?
Not very noisy, is it?
can't hear it.
It's going to be a wonderful statue. Better put a lot up here, do you know what? It's going to be so heavy that she's not going to be able to move.
Dog underneath there. Oh yes, you can see its head moving. Damn fool.
Hello? Hello? We're not going to bury her all her body. Her head, not her head. Okay.
Edward, is it?
Spade?
You're not going to spade her.
This is just a long sweep of the pond. Maison, Solm's porch. Mark, the maestro, his mate, Garde-Foy. Kids' tent that they're going to sleep in tonight.
There. So we're going. Oh, that side's not at all covered. I know, because I need a pile of sand here. Collie, Collie.
Have you ever seen anybody's dog lie there and be covered?
No.
Really quite cool, actually.
Brilliant! You can just about pull wheelies at first. Yeah.
I don't think this thing's focusing properly. Yeah.
Madame Perez.
Oui, c'est ma c'est avec les bottes et
Bien habillée.
oui. Eh, moi que non, non, allez. Eh, venez boire le café.
Okay.
Eh, parce que je dois aller à Milan avant midi.
Ok, d'accord.
Et qu'est-ce que vous faites alors ce matin?
Pas grand chose. Juste ranger les outils.
Ah oui. Et vous enlevez bien la clé de contact de votre engin, hein?
Ouais,
Vous enlevez au cas, on ne sait jamais, hein?
ouais. D'accord.
Parce que c'est un peu à l'écart. Vous
Ouais.
ne voudrez pas que...
Ouais, non, je laisse derrière dans le...
Ah! Voilà.
That's of Madame Perez, and it seems that the best way to get her on her way is to take a film of her because she dashes off.
Very wise move,
Underneath there is the well. This is just a quick shot when we first arrived. Right. Laissons lever la I'm not going to stay like this. I'm going to have to lift it up and put it against the wall so that the Mog can pick it up itself. That's the July, and here we are at Castle No Manioc Aerodrome. That's,
isn't it?
I don't know. That's the hangar in which there are a few. What's that red light? Pause there because the battery light came on.
It's really what you might call a medical tech stop.
Medical tech stop, yes. Robert climbed aboard that wonderful old aeroplane that's parked there and got a sting from a wasp. That's the control tower we're looking at. And it actually says customs clearance post. Windsock. A few down the end of the runway, which at the moment is sort of pretty wet mud. But it's quite a long runway. No cows going in. I think we've now got to stop filming and go and film Anna in her aeroplane. Well, that's a complete tour there.
What are you talking about me then?
There's a bit of repairing going on there. Here we are, we're now inside the old
I
aeroplane.
don't like it.
It's just going to get into the seat.
What is it, a red pole?
It's the big control yoke in front of you.
The steering wheel.
I'll stop filming now, I'll go around and take you looking out of the window. Alright?
Yeah.
Turn it more, both ways. Anna's just doing a control check. Okay, now pull it backwards and forwards. That's it. There's the elevator moving. Okay, now stick your head out of the window.
Yeah, but there's a wasp on the seat.
Oh, alright. Can't you put your head... Ah, that's it. Hello. And I'll zoom you in. There.
Actually, I'm standing on one foot.
Are you?
Yes.
They're the throttles, the ones in the middle.
No, well, this one, the red one, this side. There's one this side, here. Here.
Oh, I'll come in now and have a look. Here we are inside. Gosh, there are a few wasps in here.
What is the red lever?
That red lever is a hydraulic pump, Anne.
Oh.
I'll step back a little bit. It's a really ancient old thing. I don't know what type it is. Some of the gauges are there. Yes? Okay. And the door. On even further, we're now up at the ski slopes in Saint-Lary. And as you can see, we're actually in the cloud. It's a very modern sort of development up here. I had no idea it was like this. Let's see if we can get... Ellen, go and give that horse a piece of... Here we are. Here he comes.
Poor old Ellen. Poor Ellen. Who do you think you were after? Me? Who are you after? Yeah, but it's you. Let's hide them, because otherwise you'll see them. That other one, that other big one, has got his fringe. Isn't he? Come on. You're Italian. She's Italian? Are you Italian? Spanish. She's lovely. Spanish. She's nice. I know.
The size of him.
Give us another sugar.
Another sugar. Come on, another sugar. Try to make it. You must put your cigarette out.
I think Ellen's adopted this one. It's rather large. I don't know how we're going to take it home. It's the ski lift, end of the ski lift. It's all rather depressing, really. Right, I think that's a shopping centre or something. But this is right on the top of the mountain. Peculiar. More houses with a horse in the middle of them. Another horse. And back with Ellen and our horse again. She's got an incredibly noisy bell.
It's a bone.
It's a tooth.
It's a great big tooth.
It's a horse's tooth.
Yeah. I can see it.
Oh, that's the horse's tooth. Fixed inside a bell.
Risky, wasn't it?
My nose off. She's definitely got a horsey smell about her.
I love the horse's smell, don't I?
A sort of grass, chewed grass smell.
Yum.
Get you a picture of me having my hand bitten.
Daddy, we don't know where the road goes, do we?
I do.
Yes.
It goes down there.
Straight off the edge into the...
Be quicker. Throw your hands. Throw your hands.
Moving.
Yes, this is the cloud moving across the road. That's the part of the hotel bit. And there's some part of the ski lift there. It's one of the hairpin bends that we've got to go down to get up there.
14 on. And if you have to stop briefly. We're tired of more.
How? Engali.
Joe Engali.
Station.
Oh, it doesn't matter about that.
What does that mean?
Sewage station.
Here we have a picture of the kids and Daddy searching for things on the mountainside. Anna's just trodden in a cow's pat, and this is the view. That's the mountain, which you can't see because it's so foggy. That's the path we're on. This is the road. And opposite here is the most enormous mountain you've ever seen. But you can't see it. This is
Mum.
And that's Anna. She's just trodden in a cow's pat. And she wants me to wander.
It must be terrible to fall off there.
The mountain. Can't see anything now.
We come past that waterfall.
No, not yet. There it is.
There it is, right there. Is it? Wind your window down, Rob.
Well, I think we.
Is that inside?
I think I'll wait till we get a bit further down, then you'll get a picture of the bottom of it as well.
I can get it.
Actually, when we turn the corner at the bottom. Yeah.
You see it now?
Yep.
Can't get any more.
You film it at the moment, do you?
Yep.
Oh.
If I can get round.
I'll stop in a second.
Got it. There's
Nice, look.
a beautiful waterfall coming up in the clouds.
Wind your window down, Mama.
Can't see. There we are. Even better view.
Interesting tent down there as well.
You can hear it if you turn the range off. Yep, you can hear it, see? Coming from out of the cloud.
Bring it round and take a view down the village.
You're on down.
The village,
The left, yeah.
and there's the
You
village.
see the cloud base.
There's the Spanish frontier anyway.
Yes.
Yeah, just down there where all the cars are. I think so, isn't it? Oh. It's a very beautiful waterfall anyway.
Mummy took a picture of my down.
Oh dear.
Down? Off my shoe.
Oh.
I trod in it.
Very good.
Okay, that's enough.
Oh, ow, ow, ow. Ow.
Now wait. Oh, that's where they went up to the.
Where's it gone? Where's the church gone? It's gone. Where's the good church gone? Oh, there it is. Mind, Robert, can you move your head?
Oh, that was very exciting.
Move your bonds.
It's getting very hot down here in the valley.
Is it? Be better if you
Your deep belly.
need much work to be honest. She's still got the hope.
Well, do you want to take the phone number and give them a buzz?
To stop it. That she said we ought to remember the name.
I mean, it's filming too.
It is. It is.
Mummy saw a nice toilet. He wouldn't let me stop. Look at this rock here now. Look at this rock. Is that not beautiful?
We're making this film for British Aerospace Bristol.
Beautiful. Look at the lovely trees. And another little chapel. They've got great chunks of slates stood up in front of that boat.
It's not very interesting, this, is it?
Lots of rock there. Oh, he's a bit fast. I wonder what a garage municipal is. Do you think it's where they keep them?
The buses.
Oh, do you think so?
Doing. Right, I'm going to stop here because it's getting boring. Wait a minute.
Bit of washing. Someone's got their washing out.
Right, I'll stop it.
I don't know where they are. Dear.
No one's moved.
It's on film.
In front of us, stopped everybody. Trying to get round.
Actually, there's not a lot of room here, is there?
Not a lot, no.
Perhaps if you go down behind.
I think that man's stuck on
There's a bit of a dip here, Dad. Go down the hole. Do you think he can get past us?
But if I go down here, I'm stuck in here.
Yeah.
Oh wow, that coloured snail.
Where? Look at those lovely alpine plants on the side there. There's little house leeks and things like that.
You're not filming, are you?
Yes.
You want to?
There's another one there.
Waterfall. Waterfall.
Oh, Ellen's filming.
Are you, darling?
Don't
Yeah.
waste too much film out there.
I'm just looking at the rocks.
Can you see the rock?
Absolutely beautiful. It's made all the better because it's a lovely corner here. Oh, it's lovely. It's lovely because there's a house there.
Yeah.
Are they coming to look at us? Are they coming?
Yes, you come down.
No, but I mean, are the people coming?
Anybody try sliding in this field?
No, try it.
Should I try it? Go away! I can't come, Dad.
No?
There's a great big beetle down there somewhere.
How did you get through there, Erin?
Walked.
What's in there?
Do you want to have to cut the grass before we move in, Mum?
Surely going to have to cut the grass. Gonna have to plant a few trees.
It's the courtyard garden.
We're in the royal garden of the Queen.
This is a timber framed wall up here as well.
Ow! Oh, good. Don't think there's much tape left. Rock formation. It's just to set.
Ticky ticky toe toe, ticky ticky toe, ticky ticky toe toe, toe toe. You filming?
Mhm.
Mum, could we slide down with a blanket? On the cord. Please. Rob? We can't slide down with a blanket. We're not allowed. Wait. Wait. Wait.